Hello friend, I am your friend from Technical Entertainment channel. So today I will show you how ICMP ping works. So first let me tell you the definition of the ping. How ping is defined. Let's open the web page. Okay. The ping program works much like a sonar echolocation. It sends a small packet of information containing an ICMP echo request to specified computer, which then sends an echo reply packet in return. It means ping, just like you know the sonar, how sonar works. The radar, when radars send the signal in the air to find any obstacle, then it get and if it collide any from the any obstacle, then it will send another signal in return for confirming yes, in the our air some obstacle is moving. So this is the echo sonar echo, how it is work same ISMP ping is work. So let me show you the example. Suppose we are trying to ping the destination address 192.168.59.138 from my host, which is source address. Okay. So what happen when I will try to ping any destination address? It will try to find the any IP address in the network, and when it get the required destination address, then the destination address will send a packet in return to confirm yes, I am here. That is the ping. We are using ping for confirming the availability of any destination or any device which is live in the system. So this is the scenario where we can try to explain the complete ping scenario. So you can see here the sonar is working same like ping. So that's why I am taking the example of the sonar. Here reply from the destination address 192.168.59.138. When my host trying to find the destination address, then this destination address is replying back in form of packet. So it means it is alive in the network. And you can see here the white is 30 equal to 32. So this is the size of IP address. You, I think you know that the every packet is equal to 8 byte. So 192 this is 8 byte, and 168 is this is equal to 8 byte, 59 this is equal to 8 byte, and 138 it is also equal to 8 byte. So if we count total size of the IP address, then it will equal to 32 byte, and 1 byte equal to 8 bit. So this is the size of the IP address, and here you can see time is less than 1 microsecond. So here it this is showing how much time the our source address is taking to check availability of the destination address. The shortest of the time, it means the hop count in the network is very low. That is the proof. And you can see here the time is less than 1 microsecond, which is very less, very less. So if we go further, here you can see TTL is equal to 128. So this is time to leave. Actually, our packet, when our source destination is trying to send any packet in the network, then it will goes to every routers switches, then router 1, then router 2, then router 3, then and so on. So in any enterprise or any company, there are hundreds of routers. So that is hop count. My packet uh, passes through the routers. That is one router is equal to one hop count. And what is use of TTL in it? So I will show you the an example. Suppose I will try to ping this address, and my host send a signal in the network. Then in my network there is a loop. My router 1 says I don't know this packet, so it send to router 2. Router 2 sends my packet to router 3, and router 3 sends my packet to router 4. Then router 4 don't know the destination address, so it send to again router 1. And again the cycle created, and the source packet is moving in the round cycle. So the round cycle, there is no end of my packet. So the we have introduced here TTL, time to leave packet. So 128 time to leave is the count, which is equal to 128 hop count. It means if my packet passes through the router 1, then its uh, time to leave 1 decreases, means it will 127. Then same, if my packet move 128 routers, then it will reach to 129 times of any router, then the packet discard from the network. This help to reduce a network choke issue. It help to reduce network bandwidth choke issue. That is the importance of the TTL here. So I hope I you can understand the how ICMP ping works. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.